Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for Typesy School version using Classlink. To access Typesy using your Classlink credentials, simply add Typesy as one of your applications and assign it to your roster. Step number 1, open the Classlink Management Console. Step number 2, click Applications, then select Add and Assign Apps. Step number 3, in the Add and Assign Apps interface, click App Library. Step number 4, using the search bar, enter Typesy and click Add. Step number 5, now back in the Add and Assign Apps interface, locate Typesy and click the Assign button. Step number 6, in the Assign window, click the Add button for the desired profiles, groups, or users you want to have access to Typesy, then close. The selected profiles, groups, or users will then have access to Typesy in their own app section and be able to log in directly using their Classlink credentials.